Gonna do a quick unboxing vid of some new keyboards that I just got in from Newegg. They're the Rosewill mechanical keyboard, new mechanical keyboard line. Shoot, I hope I didn't damage that thing. It's a lot harder than it looks like on the other videos. Do this one-handed. Ah, there we go. Oh, useless crap. Oh, shoot, a lot of packing paper, packing lists. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's my M Audio key station I just ordered as well. MTT Mecha G1. Here we go. We got right here the RK-9000BL. The Cherry MX black switches. Very nice box, very nice box. This one we got the RK-9000BR. These have the cherry brown switches. Go ahead and open it up for you guys. Look at this here. We got keyboard pictures, cherry MX brown, soft tactile feeling. Stuff I already know. Let's see this keyboard. Oh, very nice. Haven't even got it out and I already like it. It has a nice heavy feel to it. Here's the keyboard. Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but it has the red metal chassis. It looks so nice. Definitely looks better in person than it probably does on the video. Wow. Here you can hear the cherry MX brown switches. I'll go ahead and pop off maybe the G and H so you can see. Wow. Definitely a lot harder to do this one-handed. Alright, there you go. You can see the red chassis and the cherry MX brown switch. Really a beautiful keyboard. Really beautiful. Go ahead, let's look at the RK-9000BL with the cherry MX black switches. Boxes are really hard to get open. Oh my goodness. Another diagram, not very useful. Do your mechanical research, mechanical keyboard research before you buy it. You shouldn't even really need it. Alright, we'll have a side-by-side comparison. Two very beautiful Rosewill boards. Pop the G off once again. Show the black switches. There we go. See, cherry MX black, red chassis again. Alright, now I'm going to do a little keyboard surgery and then I'll hit you guys back up once I finish putting all my custom keys on there. Just thought I'd do a quick check-in video just so I could show you the keyboard, the RK-9000BR without any of the keys. Man, that red metal plate looks really good on the keyboard. Bet it'll look better with all the keys I have on it Alright, check back. Hey, just got done putting the custom keycaps on my two new Rosewill boards. First up, I got the RK-9000BR, as you can tell by the cherry MX brown switches. Put some white PBT keycaps on them. Also put the Portal keycap set, as you can tell. There you go. There's the cake key. Pretty sick little set. And And here we have the RK-9000BL, the Cherry MX Black switches. I put just a regular black PVT keycap set on it, and I got some StarCraft little keys right there. Also RGB key modifier set. And there you have it. Probably put up a typing comparison video up later. Well, until then, peace.